Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to install a bunch of carbon fiber bits in the Ferrari F430 behind me.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan and we are at the Howard, and this is Richard's Ferrari F430, and it's a beautiful car and it's only got like a couple thousand miles on it. It's damn near original and perfect, but he wants some carbon fiber bits. So we sold him some carbon fiber bits through our website, normalguysupercar.com, so go check it out. You can get yourself hooked up using the code NGS10. It takes off 10% most things. Admittedly, a lot of the carbon fiber stuff we don't take off 10% because we don't have that big of a margin on it. This stuff is exotic car gear. There's no 10% margin, unfortunately, because we don't make that much money on it. So that being said, it's still awesome stuff. So check it out. We're gonna show you the carbon fiber bits. We'll do an install and then this thing's gonna look even better. Oh, carbon fiber, that's right.
That's carbon fiber.
We have carbon fiber. Look at the quality weave on it. So it has the same weave pattern as the OEM Ferrari stuff. So it looks really, really good. The customer service that we had with them was really good because one of these was a little bit wonky. So we said, hey, this isn't quite right. And they, boom, sent us a new one immediately. So that was really cool. Jeez, just look at that carbon fiber diffuser. That just looks absolutely insane. It looks so good. Holy crap, that looks so good compared to the composite stuff. Not the coolest looking. Anyway, so those first are the air boxes. Those are really easy. We'll just get to those right here. So why don't we pop this thing open and put them in and take a look. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, see, it's gonna look so much better. Yeah. So all we have to do is get these bolts off and unscrew these screws, and that's it. I mean, it's literally that easy. Haha, I was just kidding. We're doing all of this carbon fiber, not just those three pieces. We've got side panels. We've got the vents on the top of the deck. We've got the intake boxes, the rear diffuser. It's everything you could possibly want in carbon fiber. There you go. This is gonna look sick. Yeah, compared to that, yeah, no. And one last piece for the coolant tank. All right, let's unscrew the air box. There are just some regular flathead screws right here. There's 4 of them, one on each side. Then we just gotta get these guys right here, 8mm. Okay, now that all those are off, theoretically, this should just come right out. Come on. Oh, shoot. It's got the stupid sound deadener thing too. Okay, rotate that. There we go. There you go. I mean, come on, just look at that turd and then that piece of gloriousness. Yeah. Way better. Oh yeah, that's already looking much better. Yeah. All right, we're gonna actually do these 2 panels first so that we can get the before and after. Gotta use a 4mm Allen. Get off these guys. Oop, wrong way. What? Janky shit. His car is supposed to be perfect. There's no bolts down there.
Someone was being lazy.
Alright, and that. There's that. All the puns are too late. We missed them all.
I know.
This was a 2-hander, 2-man job, 4-hander.
That's why I always get a boner when I'm working on cars.
God, you know what? That's a bit too detailed. It's one of those stupid Ferrari clips. I hate those things. Last panel. Get it just right. Keep in there. Don't touch the paint.
It's like you don't even need to put like a seal, tamper seal on these things. It's just count the screws. You know someone's with it. You know.
I mean, I just always assume it's always been.
Yeah, we don't have to say that. That's good there. There's gonna be other people there. Just, you know.
Whatever, yeah.
Did you notice how thin this was? Like if you hold up to light, you could see through it.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah.
Janky is what we do though, Richard.
Janky's our middle name.
NG, that's what the G stands for. Janky with a G.
But we spelled it wrong because we're that janky.
And janky supercars. Alright, YouTube, there you can see before after. God, it looks so much better. Or as Adam was saying, poor Rich. Or Richard. And we have this too. Check this out. Boo. Yeah. So much better. All right, let's get the other half done. So as long as we're doing a before and after there, you can see composite pieces transitioning over to carbon fiber. Ooh, so much better. Yes. There you go. That's all the stuff we're doing.
A few moments later.
Ta-da! Josh couldn't take it. He's like, there's fingerprints.
Can't do it. We got our carbon fiber detailing cleaner
Yes.
that the kit comes with.
Ooh, it smells good. All right, there you go. Full carbon fiber engine bay. That looks sick as hell. So much better looking. And of course now these are carbon fiber too up top. Da, 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 da. Oh, I see fingerprints. You can't take it. All right, the last thing we got is the diffusers. These are always a pain in the butt, but we will get it installed. All right, YouTube, there's carbon fiber and there's composite, weighs a lot more. Well, here is our graveyard of not carbon fiber parts. And of course, our beautiful, absolutely stunning carbon fiber engine bay, carbon fiber air vents, and carbon fiber diffuser. Whoo, yeah, that looks so good. Oh yeah, this is so much better. So again, if you need some parts like this, go check out normalguysupercar.com and use the code NGS10. It'll take off 10% a lot of things. Again, most of the carbon fiber stuff, we don't offer a 10% discount because we don't have a big enough margin to even give you 10% off. Basically, we'd be losing money after the credit card fees. So sorry guys, we'd love to help you out. If you have any questions about any of this sort of stuff, send us an email, sales@normalguysupercar.com, and we can get you hooked up. We'll figure something out and get you set up with something awesome. And of course, we have lots of other parts and services, and we're also selling a bunch of cars through our dealership, NG Supercars, so go check that out and email us sales@NG Supercars if you have a question about any of our inventory. That's to do it. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because we're going to be doing a lot of cool car stuff, including some more DIY coming up very soon. So it's going to be sweet.